Hi, Mike from Custom Cruises. Here we are, Mikuni choke cable. Okay, this particular cable, genuine Mikuni, fits onto any Harley on your standard bracket. So if you're fitting an a Mikuni carburetor to a bike, whether it's got a CV or S&S or whatever, this is your perfect answer. Okay, if you're interested in any spares at all for these carburetors, we also do rebuild kits. This particular item, this is for fitting HSR-45 on a Super E manifold. We also do them for a CV manifold, and we do carburetor kits from S&S or also from Mikuni and spares, plus ignition kits if you want to go from EFI to fuel injection. Sorry, from EFI to carburetor. So if you're interested in any spares for your bike, give us a bell. 01773 835 666, alternatively customcruisers.com. As you can see here, we keep masses of gear in. Brake upgrades, air suspension upgrades. This is your heavy duty starters, your offset kits, etc. Here's your Fords, you know, masses and masses of gear. Oil coolers, pretty useful on a Harley because they do overheat. Here's your regulators, your alternators, oil pumps, twin cam or Evo. Okay, 6-speed boxes, they're Ultima. S&S bottom ends, piston upgrades, big bore kits. Here's all your rods, your lifters. More pistons, Wiseco, Keith Blacks, S&S, etc. Bigger tanks, helmets, massive helmets, batteries. These are your 5-year 500 cranking amp batteries. All your brake pads. That's an ultrasonic cleaning tank, your oil filters. Okay, here's all your billet brakes. So you got your PMs, better brakes, better pulleys, all CNC machined. Crash bars, more motors for sale. Okay, we've also got billet wheels. As you can see, these are all performance machine. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Okay, so if you're interested, come and check us out, customcruisers.com. Okay, clothing. Here's all your stuff to do with your handlebars. Okay, so you got all your handlebar controls, all your grips, everything else like that. And jackets, helmets by the million. As you can see here, here's the main counter. Shock absorbers, electronic ignitions for Evos, twin cams, EFI systems, Simpson helmets, masses and masses of gear. So if you want a nice weekend out, come and see us. 01773 835 666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.